First, you will need your thread, then your bobbin filled with thread and inserted into your bobbin case and bobbin case holder. I have videos for this on my channel. Click the links above or in my description box below to watch. Place your thread into the spool pin, pull thread out and pass through the first thread guide. Like I'm doing. Then pass the thread through the right side and continue through all the thread guides. I'll open it so you can see. Through all the remaining thread guides, just as I'm doing. After passing through the thread guides, pass the thread through the needle bar thread guides, both needle bar thread guides, and pass the thread through the needle till it comes out on the other side. When it comes out on the other side, pull out about 2 to 3 inches of the thread. Make sure to pull out 2 to 3 inches of the thread. Now, pull the thread towards you, and we're going to be turning the wheel anti-clockwise to lower and raise the needle. Then pull the upper thread to automatically bring up the lower thread. Now pull both the lower and upper thread. Drop the foot and pull both the lower and upper thread to the back. And that is all. Thanks for watching this simple tutorial on how to thread your brother's sewing machine. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comments down in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.